सबको फिर से स्वागत to my channel and this video gonna be very interesting because आज मैं ईटानगर zoo को दिखाने वाला हूँ उसमें क्या क्या animals मिलता है और I will try to show you most different types of animals and birds that are available here in Itanagar ZOO. So here you can see the signboard, the tiger, black bear, vulture, tortoise, python, and different types of deer and different types of animals and birds. So let's get moving. और ये सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहा है tiger, but he's fast asleep and sleepy tiger. And next here is the black bear. ये तो बहुत एक्टिव है, बहुत सुंदर. वाओ. अरे यार ये तो दो पैर से चल रही है. And very interesting to look at them. You can see the bears are really playful and I think they don't sleep much. Or you can see as I'm trying to take a video, he is standing up with two legs and enjoying. Very interesting. और हम नेक्स्ट पे जाते हैं और यहाँ पे ये साइन बोर्ड का हॉर्नबिल और नेक्स्ट है ये जंगल का मुर्गी और मुर्गा बोल सकते हैं या So this is the place where we can see different types of birds. Hey, hello young old man. Very sturdy. Watching at me. Very interesting. और ये silver pheasant. I think this is a different types of, species of peacock. Very beautiful. Body सुंदर. और भी यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं और अलग किस्म के birds like parrots, different types of colors है इसमें white, green. और ये मेरा दोस्त टेंजिंग उल्टा चलने का आदत. Just kidding man. And here you can see the eagle stretching out his wings. Very strong. Majestic man. और ये हमारा cunning and clever foxy. और हम चलते हैं आगे और देखते हैं क्या एनिमल्स और ये जू पे रखा हुआ है. And I think this is the leopard. Yeah, with a mixed, colors and very, very attractive. Body strong, body बढ़िया. Slow mo. Wow. और यहाँ पे है wild dogs. चारों तरफ फेंसिंग से लगा हुआ है and I think they are staying at the corner so it's not that visible but here the wild dogs are kept. Coming next here we can see the kingdom of monkeys. monkeys लोग बहुत ही इंसान को इमिटेट करता है और वो लोग सबसे interesting animals हैं because they act and they try to imitate human beings. So they are really very interesting to look at. और ऊपर देखते हैं ये ईटानगर का नज़ारा. Very beautiful also. And at the back is the attitude. And now we are just moving back since it's really little drizzling, so we got to get back home. और आप लोग ज़रूर विजिट करें if you ever get time, because this is very interesting one, and many types of animals and birds are found in Itanagar Zoo. Oh, the area is very big, and you can even take a vehicle inside. For that you have to give a little extra charge. You can see there, thank you board. And this is the main entrance gate, the main entry gate. And here on the way we stop at Naga restaurant, or rather you can say a Naga hotel. This is located at Bank Tinali, Itanagar, and here we can see the local dishes, very tasty, yummy yummy. और हम लोग फिर से शुरू किया अपना जर्नी को वापस बैक टू होम. And this is the underpass NH415 Itanagar. ये नया newly constructed है, and both the side you can see the LED lights, and even they have provided a footpath at both the sides of the underpass. Quite good for now. And this is the highway going back from Itanagar towards Naharlagan side. और ये beautiful नज़ारा, बहुत ही सुंदर. And friends, if you get time, you do visit the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, that is Itanagar. And here we can find different places, beautiful spots to visit. Like today I showed you the zoo of Itanagar, and there are another places like, there are many places that are like Ganga Lake is also one of the most beautiful place you can visit at. और अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि गंगा लेक का भी वीडियो बनाए तो definitely I will try to that. So you can comment down below if you want to see Ganga Lake. I will definitely take out time to go and visit Ganga Lake and make a video for you. But if you want to see the video, then only. Thank you friends for your support, and if you are new to this channel, मैं अपना दिल से request करता हूँ to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for new updates and for the new videos to come. Continue watching the video till the end. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you friends, and keep safe. Let's move.
And I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey, you called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden.